as well as others, often see several motions that push those trial dates back.
And while those delays may be infuriating to victims or the loved ones, prosecutors and judges say they have to be allowed. New here at 6 o'clock, 41 Action News reporter Sarah Plake breaks down why these cases cannot be rushed.
Yeah, and this applies to the Justin Rey case. He was convicted of child endangerment and child porn charges, but he is supposed to be sentenced, but it's going nowhere. Even today, we were supposed to find out if there would be a new judge assigned to sentence him, but because of additional motions he just filed, nothing happened today, and I'm told that this happens quite often. Justin Rey filed a series of new motions in Johnson County Court before a motions hearing set for Monday, causing the hearing to be rescheduled again. He was supposed to be sentenced on March 27th. Rey's filed numerous motions, including asking for a new judge, a new attorney, a lesser sentence, a change of venue, dismissal, and even mistrial.
So it's always better. It's a better school of thought to give the defendant the time they need. That way they can never come back later and say, well, wait a minute, on XYZ date, I asked for this and you wouldn't allow it, and I have a constitutional right to that.
Criminal defense attorney Brandan Davies says many times criminal cases can take years, but defendants have the right to try everything they legally can, and many times they have nothing to lose. Rey and his two small children were found in a Lenexa storage unit in October 2017 with the dismembered remains of his wife, Jessica Montero Rey, in coolers. Rey admitted he dismembered her. Rey is now going forward representing himself after getting rid of several attorneys.
And that's really evident when they start filing a bunch of pro se motions. Part of it's they don't know what they're doing.
I feel like he's just doing it for attention. He's wasting everyone's time. But the conviction can't be overturned. They already convicted him. I don't understand why they're allowing this.
Davies and the Johnson County District Attorney's Office say defendants stretching the process is not uncommon, and it's agonizing for the families on the opposite side, like Jessica's sister, Sarah Montero.
They're just allowing him to just keep playing this little game that he's playing, regardless of, the kids and even the other charges that he has.
This does cost taxpayers money, although the DA's office says it's hard to put into a dollar amount. It ties up court dockets, and they have to pay court-appointed attorneys. Rey will be back in court on April 18th. We will go to that and give you an update on how this case is going to move along going forward. In Overland Park, in Olathe, I'm Sarah Plake, 41 Action News.